Alright, so hopefully the sound isn't too bad, but this is something that I literally learned just now, and I've been doing YouTube for quite a long time, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys are just going to be like, yeah, you're an idiot, because yes, I very much am, but to optimize the, what do you call it, the monetization, whatever, of your videos, you just do this. I'm doing it on my phone right now because I'm just going through all my videos, but yeah, so you can manually place your ad. I've always wondered how people did this, and yeah, and seeing as though this is like my most ad whatever video, you could just click through the video and add ads. So for this one, I'm just going to add a bunch of them and just whatever, just to test it. But yeah, this is really wild. I had no idea that you can do this, and I always wondered, I'm like, maybe this is like a 10,000 subscriber thing, but boom, save changes, and you just put the ads where you wanted them to go. So yeah, hopefully that helps somebody, because I've never actually seen somebody do this before, and I've never knew how. But yeah, that's how you do it. Okay, and so before you actually are able to place the ads manually, because I forgot to mention that, this is what you do. So you have to tick all these options, then tick before and during, and then the place manually will pop up. Like, if you don't tick the during video one, the place manually button will not be there, and that was my issue. Like, I believe like I didn't select like one of these in here, and then I didn't select like during video, like on some of the videos. So like when I was looking through my videos, I didn't see it, but I also didn't notice that I was not taking one of the options for the types of ads. So like I was kind of confused as to why the button wasn't there for me. So I was under the assumption that it was like maybe 5,000 subscribers, that type of thing was enabled, but that's not the case. As soon as you're able to be monetized, you take every single version of the ad, so display, overlays, sponsored cards, skippable video ads, and non-skippable ads. Then you can just tick during video or tick before and then tick during. Then the place manually button will pop up right there, and then you will be able to do it and place the ads manually within the video. Also, the videos have to be at least 10 minutes long, which is something that I did know, but just to show you guys, like you'll see it's not even able to be clicked because it's not at least 10 minutes, and it says only videos longer than 10 minutes are eligible for ads during the video. So yeah, you can't do it on a video like that. Only 10 minutes plus, which is why people always talk about make sure your videos are 10 minutes long, at least 10 minutes long, they'll get double ad rev, blah blah blah. And that's why, because you'll be able to manually place the ads. And from what I was told, the best places to add it is in the very beginning, and then every 3 to 4 minutes. So depending on the type of video and whatever, you could just put it like at 000 to do it in the start, and you could do it at like 3 minutes, 6 minutes, 9 minutes, however so. And then, or you could put like, let's say the video is 10 minutes, you can put it at 00, 4 minutes, 8 minutes, and then at the very end of the video. So yeah, but basically you can literally put 1,000 ads if you want, but if that's the case, people are probably gonna be like, yeah, no, screw this, I'm not watching this. This is literally one giant ad. But you never know, just try it out and see what works best for you. That's literally what I'm doing, going through certain videos and selecting where I'm putting the ads and going to see what works for my channel's growth and revenue growth and everything like that. And then I'll be, probably letting you guys know my results and what worked best for me. So yeah, because this is kind of something I'm like, I really don't understand how I didn't know this. or why I didn't look into it deeper, but I just so happened to be watching a video, and then the person explained it, and I was like, oh wow, that's why. So I had to go through and double check everything. Okay, so another thing I'm going to do is test out Tubebuddy. And I have the free version, and I haven't really used much of it because it doesn't have too much when it's free. But like, if you're smaller than my channel, like it says I have less than 1,000 subscribers, it's half off. But I don't have that. You'll pay yearly $7.20. I have more than one channel, they'll offer you a discount. And then I'm part of a non-profit, they'll offer you another discount. But I don't have any of that at the moment, maybe in the future. But for right now, I'm going to test Pro. And you can see here like all the features. You can come here and check it yourself, or if you want to pause it, but you don't have to do that. You could just go to Tubebuddy, and then it'll show like everything, the breakdown per like version of Tubebuddy you have. So it's basically it's $9, $20, and $50 a month. So I'm going to test the $9 one, and maybe I'll let you guys know like how it goes in like a month, 2 months, 3 months, and then if it's worth it, I'm gonna go to Star and then see how that goes, and then if it's worth it, I'll go to Legend. Or maybe if it just so happens to be so great, I'll just go from Pro to Legend. Like, let's say my subscribers start to go up like crazy and blah blah blah. But I guess I'll just show you guys, like, you know, over time, like how this thing starts to help me. So with this video, I'm going to have Pro enabled and use some of the settings, and then in the follow-up video I'll let you know like what settings I use and what worked, what didn't work. And this is going to be for somebody who's starting out or growing their channel like I am, because I'm under 3,000 subscribers, which is not much of anything in comparison. And I'm pretty sure a lot of people are around my, like, I don't know what that was, around my amount of subscribers, which is a brand new kind of fresh starting noob YouTuber. So we'll be growing together, and hopefully this helps not only myself but you guys who also want to know, like, are these things worth it, and do they help, do they not help, blah blah blah. So I'll do it, and I guess the next video will have to be me showing you like what worked, but for now I'm going to purchase Tubebuddy Pro. Okay, so boom, for $7.20 a month I got Tubebuddy. So I'll be putting my affiliate link in the description of the video, and my affiliate link is right there. So yeah. So once you guys do this, you go to affiliate center, which will be in the corner of Tubebuddy, and hopefully it doesn't show anything crazy. Oh well, I'm actually an affiliate already. But once you go to Tubebuddy and you sign up, then you can go to Tubebuddy and become an affiliate yourself. So when you make videos, you can post your affiliate link and make some money too. So you guys can help me and I can help you. It's kind of like a pyramid scheme, kind of. But anyhow, that's how you become an affiliate on Tubebuddy. It's literally you just put in what you want your link to be, and then you put in your PayPal email, and boom, you're literally signed up. There's no like verification process or anything like that. Just make sure you put in valid things that are not used. So affiliate code, I'm Swaggy. So when you go to the discount code, you put in I'm Swaggy, and that's it. I'll have all that in the description. But yeah, it's super easy, and they make it a way for you to get like some reoccurring money or whatever. So that's some extra income. You never know. Maybe a lot of people will watch your video and then become a member of Tubebuddy Pro or Advanced or Legend or whatever the tiers are, but I forget. But yeah, hopefully that helps you guys as well, because that definitely just helped me save myself a couple bucks. Okay, so with Tubebuddy Pro enabled, you're able to see like all of the suggested tags. So I'm just going to use it for a video that I have up, and just add all the tags they suggest, just to see how it works, because you never know. Boom, I just added all the tags, suggested tags relating to the channel. Boom, we'll add that. Boom, we'll add that. Wow, sorry for that angle. But I just like added all of these. Hopefully you guys saw it, but these are all the suggested tags. Before, if you're not on Tubebuddy Pro, you can only see 3 of them. But now you can see them all. So I have a bunch of them. Let's see what else it wants me to do. Keyword Explorer, let's see. Recommended tags. So you can see a whole bunch of these things. So you can actually see now like a whole bunch of them that you can add. Chelsea boots on feet. Boom. So yeah, you can see like all these things. So hopefully this helps and adds, you know, some views and subscribers and helps. But this is something that wasn't there before because I didn't have Pro enabled. So it's pretty cool. I guess I should be showing you guys like the progression of like my Tubebuddy stuff. So that'll be good. And then this will help you guys decide if Tubebuddy is actually worth it for you. So I'm going to save that. And that's the end of that. So basically what I'll be showing you guys is like my progression. So is Tubebuddy really worth it? Guess we'll just have to see. I'm the type of person who rather test things for myself and then let people know my honest opinion, just like this video that we're looking at, which is the Chelsea boots. I mean the harness boots, because I was trying to save some money on some YSL boots because I don't want to spend, what are they, like $1,500 now? But anyhow, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be showing you guys like every week or every 2 weeks like my progress with this Tubebuddy stuff.